My name is Brady Bergquist, and I'm a home improvement specialist here at Western Products. Essentially on this house, they had a product we call T111, a wood grooved product, but it does need painting. It is a wood product. They were just kind of over the fact that they needed to continue the upkeep on this house. We installed United States seamless steel in color sand. We did a vertical 10-inch board and batten on a majority of the house. We did sand soffit, bronze fascia, and then we did bronze gutters, and then we had the downspouts in sand as well to match the color of the siding to kind of blend them in. Working with Dan was great. Very friendly, down-to-earth guy. Hands-on in the project, but also very, very fun to work with. It wasn't a drastic change. They kind of liked the same color scheme that they had. They liked the vertical. In talking with the homeowners after the fact, they were elated on how it turned out and very happy, and we kind of knocked it out of the park with this. I think the strengths of Western Products is just collectively, everybody that we have kind of working together as a team. It's not a bunch of individuals. Myself meeting with homeowners and kind of putting their ideas onto paper, but then their crews coming out and actually making that dream a reality. Everything's custom made for the home. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Our guys do a fantastic job. They take a lot of pride in what they do. As much as we love seeing our homeowners, generally we don't want to be coming back and seeing them a second time if we don't need to.